All new HP 500 headlights. Overall aluminium alloy shell material, strong and more durable. One 18,650 lithium battery. Use the main lamp L2 highlight beads, double XPE lamp beads, secondary lights. Infinity adjustable light. 6 light mode, no fear of the dark. Double XPE red light effectively protect the dark vision, suitable for animal observation at night, outdoor stargazing, emergency help, etc. IPX6 waterproof, no fear of wind and rain. Type C hidden charging point. 1.5 meters for more durability. With fixed headband adjustable at any angle. Suitable for any outdoor lighting.